Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering proof and signing in. You must prove ownership. Collect original master files, timestamps, and publish dates so YouTube can verify authorship. Once signed into the account that holds the rights, open the suspected video and copy the URL and video ID. Note the exact upload time and any captions or descriptions that show copying. Make sure to take screenshots and export file metadata. These items speed verification and reduce back and forth with YouTube. Next, go directly to YouTube Studio and open the copyright section to start a claim. You need to choose the correct remedy, a takedown if you want removal, or a manual claim if you seek monetization or tracking. Fill every field clearly. Paste the infringing URL, list timestamps, and explain how the content matches your work. Upload proof files and metadata. Once complete, review the declaration language because you affirm truth under penalties. Submit and watch for the confirmation email. Finally, monitor your email and the YouTube dashboard for responses. Once done, respond promptly to notices or counterclaims. If the uploader files a counter notice, make sure to escalate with stronger proof, additional metadata, licensing agreements or third-party attestations, or consult legal counsel if necessary. Keep meticulous records of case ID, messages, and timestamps for any appeals. One troubleshooting tip: if processing stalls, contact YouTube support with your case ID and concise evidence to accelerate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.